morning students, welcome back to your maths class. In last class we have discussed about rational numbers and properties of rational numbers like closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, additive and multiplicative inverse and representation of rational numbers on number line. In this class we will solve some questions based on these topics. So let's start with exercise 1.1. In exercise, your first question is using appropriate properties, find the value of these two. First is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 5. 1 by 6. You can see these are rational numbers and we have to apply the properties of rational numbers and solve this sum. Now we have this sum. First we will rearrange these terms. We can see that 3 by 5 is in this term and in this term. So we rearrange these terms, that is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2 by regrouping. Then we can take 3 by 5 as common term. In bracket we have minus 2 by 3 and from here minus 1 by 6. This minus sign 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2 as it is. Here we have used distributive property. Now we will solve this term by taking LCM. The LCM of these two terms is 6. So 3 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 upon 6 into 1. So the terms will be minus 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 and 3 by 5 as it is plus 5 by 2 is also as it is. Now when we solve this, we will get 3 by 5 into 6 in denominator because now both denominators are same, and in numerator we have minus 4 minus 1 plus 5 by 2 as it is. Now when we solve these terms, we will get 3 by 5 into minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. When we solve this further, we will get minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 because you can see 5 and 5 will cancel and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So here we will get minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Now both denominators are same, so we need not to take LCM. We directly write 2 in denominator and in numerator we have minus 1 plus 5. Plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 upon 2, that is 2. So the required value is 2. In next question, we have 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. In this expression, we have 2 by 5 in two terms, in first term and in last term. So first we will rearrange these terms. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5, and in last we will have minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 by regrouping. After that we will take 2 by 5 as common, and in bracket we have minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 are as it is. This term we have by using distributive property. Now again the denominators are different, so we will take LCM and we will multiply this 7 by 2 and 14 by 1 to get same denominator. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 into 2 upon 7 into 2 plus 1 into 1 upon 14 into 1 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. This term will remain same. 2 by 5 into, when we multiply these terms, we will get minus 6 by 14 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. 2 by 5 into, when we solve this, now denominators are same, so in denominator we have 14 minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 minus, when we solve this, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So in numerator we have 1 and in denominator 2 2s are 4, that is minus 1 by 4. Now when we solve these two terms, again 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, this 5 will be cancelled and 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. See, minus 1 by 7, 5 and 5 are cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So the term will remain minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7 and minus 1 by 4. Now again denominators are different, so we will take LCM, and when we solve these terms, we will get minus 4 by 28 minus 7 by 28. Now denominators are same, so we will solve this and getting minus 11 by 28 as the required value. Now in next question, write the additive inverse of each of the following. In this question, you have given some rational numbers and you have to write its additive inverse. So in first, we have to write the additive inverse of 2 by 8. Additive inverse, that is the rational number which gives answer 0 when we add to given number. So additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8, because when we add these two terms we get 0. Now additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9, because when we add minus 5 by 9 and 5 by 9, these two terms will cancel and we get answer as 0. So the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Now third question is minus 6 upon minus 5. When we cancel the minus sign, we get the number as 6 by 5. So the additive inverse of this 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. In the next question, you have 2 by minus 9. When we write in standard form, we write it as minus 2 by 9. So the additive inverse of minus 2 by 9 is 2 by 9. In next, you have 19 by minus 6. Again, we will write its standard form, which is minus 19 by 6. And when we want to find out its additive inverse, we will write the same number but with opposite sign, that is minus 19 by 6 is equal to additive inverse of minus 19 by 6 is equal to 19 by 6. In third question, we have to verify minus of minus x equal to x. First we have the number x equal to 11 by 15. Therefore, minus of x will be minus 11 by 15. But when again we have minus sign of this minus x, minus into minus will become plus. So this minus of minus 11 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. And this 11 by 15 is nothing but x. So minus of minus x is equal to x. In the next question, we have x equal to minus 13 by 17. When we find minus x, then minus of this minus 13 by 17 is equal to minus minus plus, therefore it is 13 by 17. but again when we put a minus sign, we get minus 13 by 17, which is nothing but x. So minus of minus x is equal to x. In the fourth question, you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of the given numbers. Now we know multiplicative inverse of any number a is 1 upon a, because a into 1 upon a, when we multiply this, a and a will be cancelled and we will get answer as 1. So the multiplicative inverse of a is 1 upon a, and the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon a is a. Now see in the question, multiplicative inverse of minus 13. माइनस 13 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स हमें फाइंड करना है. सो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ माइनस 13 इज minus 1 by 13, because when we multiply these two numbers, 13 and 13 will be cancelled and minus into minus will become plus 1. Second is multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19, which is equal to minus 19 by 13, because when we multiply these two numbers, 13 will cancel, 19 will cancel, and minus into minus will become plus, so it will be plus 1. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 का multiplicative inverse क्या हो जाएगा? 5, because the multiplicative inverse of 1 by a is a. So 1 by 5 is equal to 5. 1 by 5 into 5, 5 cancel and you get answer as 1. Now representation of numbers on the number line. First is 7 by 4 and second is 5 by 6. First we will draw a number line and then we will write numbers from 0 to 10. Now you can see in the denominator you have 4. So in every denominator we will write 4. First is 0 by 4, then 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4 and 10 by 4. Now we want to represent the number 7 by 4. So the required point is this 7 by 4, which we will show by this point A. In the next we have 5 by 6, it is minus 5 by 6 in book. So minus 5 by 6 will come on negative side. So after 0 we will write numbers 0 to 10. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. After that we want denominator as 6. So we will write 6 in denominator in each number. So it is 0 by 6, then minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6 and so on, minus 10 by 6. But we want to represent the number minus 5 by 6 and minus 5 by 6 is here. We will represent this point as B. In the last question, we want to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So first we will make the denominator same. That's why we will multiply minus 2 by 5 by 4 and 1 by 2 by 10. So this minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 and 5 4s are 20, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Now we can easily find 10 rational numbers between these two numbers as minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20 and minus 1 by 20, or 0, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20 and so on. In next class we will start new chapter and you can solve the remaining question by yourself. You can take help of PDF also. Okay, thank you.